Brian Gambardella here with MarineMax of Huntington. Today we're going to do a walkthrough on a Bertram 39 center console. So Bertram's been a household name in the boating industry for quite some time. So today when we walk through the 39 center console, I think you'll see a few of the items that Bertram's carried over the years and then how they incorporated into their new models. So starting off, you got a lot of storage here in the back for fishing. You got a nice Kenyan grill on your port side in the back with a nice sink. You're able to wash some stuff off there. You got 2 live wells on this boat. So again, fishing on this boat is the mission. You got plenty of rod storage on the transom, as well as rocket launchers above. This boat is equipped with triple 400s. The other option is 2 600 Mercury outboards. Aft seat here. We've also got a 3-person wide rear-facing seat. Let's open this up. Plenty of storage here for fish. On your port and starboard side, you have matching starboard side gate here. You got a door, a nice locking door, and a top here, which is nice. Let's walk up the starboard side of the boat here. You'll notice 4 rod holders. Again, that's your port and starboard. Plenty of grab rails, heavy duty, something Bertram's always been known for. So typically your lines go in here. Your fender clips are pre-prepared. They snap into the side of the hole there. Your water fill is right there. Then you've got access for your poles here for your bow sunshade. Something you'll notice about the 39, it's a very deep boat. So you got 2 loungers here. This back cushion's coming up to the middle of my back, so you really feel like you're in the boat, not on the boat. Your windlass. You do have control at the front. Again, always at the bow, at the helm area. And you have a freshwater wash down to rinse that chain off if it gets muddy. Under our sun pad area, again, more storage. All storage drains, so you won't have any pooling. Going down the port side, we'll take a look at the helm area. So at the helm, you got 2 nice Garmin screens, your Mercury joystick, your throttle controls. Most of your important things are on your brush buttons here. You do have separate Mercury engine display above, but they could also be integrated within your Garmin screens below. Let's make our way to the cabin. So as you enter the cabin, something nice on the 39, you have a separate head. So you got a nice door here that shuts. This is full standing room. Full standing room in this head. And you do have a nice fold down teak seat here, which is nice. So you got a sink with a fridge below. Plenty of storage above. Not a lot of natural light coming in. And when you want that privacy, simply pull that shade. You got a large berth here. It could easily fit 2 adults. Microwave oven on the port side. Your generator control. And access to your AC compressor for any service you might need under the steps. If you're interested in this Bertram 39 center console, contact us here at MarineMax of Huntington, 631-424-2710.